I don't care about 4,000 watch hours. What I care about is one thing: how to make a good, valuable video so that people can watch till the end. And this is what you want to be doing as a beginner. If your videos are not getting a lot of watch hours, this video is for you. Let me be honest with you. Your videos are not getting lot watch hours, not because of the algorithm. It's because people are not watching your videos till the end. And yes, I know you are consistent. I know you post regularly, but still you are stuck at low views. Here are 5 reasons why you are not getting your watch hours, and the last one is very important, so you have to watch this video to the first 5 seconds is weak. With the first 5 seconds of your video is very important. You have to hook your audience. Start with a problem. Tell them what the video is all about. Like, here is why you are not getting your watch hours. This is why you are getting low views. Don't start with welcome to my channel, my name is this, my name is that. No, we don't want story. People are not patient. So start with the problem. Another thing is that you talk too much before you give value. As you can see in my video, I did not beat around the bush. I tell you the reason why you are not getting your watch hour straight. This is what people want. You tell them the value. You don't beat around the bush because people are not patient. If you are talking too much, they will just leave. Another thing is that your video has no flow. People get bored when your video is too slow. So cut unnecessary parts in your videos. Make it short and make it valuable. Every part in your video should be passing a valuable information. Another thing is that you are not creating curiosity. Yes, if your video has no curiosity, people are not expecting anything in your video, they will leave. So you have to create a curiosity. Like, when you want to start a video, you can say, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you the biggest secret that you can apply to your channel that will blow your channel. You know, all those things. That is how people stay and watch till the end. But if you are just talking, you are not creating anything, you are not letting them expecting anything at the end of the video, my dear, they will leave. Even me too, I will leave. Last but not the least, like, if you watch this video to this point, I salute for you. I love you. So this is the last and this is the most important secret. You are not checking your retention. If you want to check your retention, go to your YouTube analytics. Check where people drop, where people stop watching. That is where you will know where the problem is. Maybe it is your hook, your first 5 seconds of your video, or maybe it is your or where you give value, where you're supposed to give them value and you are still talking. Maybe that is where they drop, that is where they stop watching your video. So this is what will give you insight, and you want to try and check this and fix it. In essence, stop chasing views, start creating valuable videos. If you chase views, you will just be creating long form videos without nobody watching it. But if you create good videos, you will have a lot. Start focusing on making people stay on your video. That's the biggest secret to watch hours, and that is what will make you grow on YouTube. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and let me know in the comments which of these things have you started doing in your channel. And also subscribe to this channel for more tips and how to grow on YouTube, how to get your 4,000 watch hours. Thank you very much. If you watch to the end, thank you very much, and God bless you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.